Announcing the Bombs 500 subscriber giveaway.
Hey y'all, this is Dave with the Bomb Smokes. Well, we're here. 500 subscribers. And I never thought that I'd get that many. And I appreciate it. I appreciate everyone that subscribed to my channel, everybody that watches and supports my channel. You know, this started out as a hobby. I love to cook and I love to video. So combining those two things and the fact that I'm retired now, I have, well, I thought I was going to have a lot more free time, but it's kind of funny how things work. You think you're going to have all this time and you're still just as rushed as you were when you were working, and you wonder, how did I find time to go to work? But anyway, I'm going to do a giveaway today, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to give away. It's something from Amazon, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and order it and have it sent to whoever wins it. Will have to provide their mailing address, and I'll just have it sent to your mailing address. Now, this is a book written by Jill Norman, and evidently it's got all the information that you need for herbs and spices. It's got a good rating, and if you look at the bullets down to the right there, it talks about how to identify and choose the best herbs, how to prepare and cook them, and how to make your own blends of spices, rubs, and sauces. So I figured this would be a great gift. All you have to do is, first, you need to be subscribed to my channel, and you need to leave a comment. And in the comment, you're going to have to put hashtag herbs and spices. Hashtag herbs and spices. And that's all you got to do. So, and then I'll use a random checker. I think YouTube has a random checker, so I'm going to figure out how to do that. In the meantime, that's all I really have to say. I want to thank y'all again. You know, this is such a great community, and all of y'all out there are just such wonderful people. Peace out, y'all.